Good day everyone, we are in group 4. Today's presentation we will discuss about the Chapter 2 Mathematical Language and Symbols, entitled The Attainment of Mathematical Language and Symbols, with the theme Learning Mathematical Characteristics. These are the objectives. Number 1, to determine the language, symbols, syntax, and the rules of mathematics. Number 2, to determine the differences between the mathematical language and mathematical expression or sentences. Number 3, lastly, identifying the operations on mathematical expression.
Introduction. The symbolic language of mathematics is a special purpose language. It has its own symbols and rules of grammar that are quite different from those of English. We can usually read expressions in the symbolic language in any mathematical article written in any language. Language is the systems of words, signs, and symbols which people use to express ideas, thoughts, and feelings. Language consists of the words, their pronunciations, and the methods of combining them to be understood by a community. Language is a systematic means of communicating ideas or feelings by the use of conventionalizing signs, sounds, gestures, or marks having understood meanings. Every science has its own lingo and words usage. Mathematical language is the system used to communicate mathematical ideas.
Good day to all of you. My name is Jason and I am your math teacher. Many students may say that the grade is more important, and many teachers may make you feel grades are more important. But how do you get to the point of earning those grades? An experience I had from substitute teaching really helped me decide, which inspired me. The skills developed from being challenged at home were sharpened at school. Math easily became my favorite subject because it was like a game or a puzzle. It was a mess, so you can imagine what word problems were like for me. Yeah, and I saved them for last or just avoided them altogether. I couldn't understand the situation being explained. As a mathematics teacher, I can't imagine how beautiful the world of mathematics.
I already told you class that today we have a reporting about the topic that I give to you individually, so that they will help you to understand more about the mathematics. So I want Mr. Jason Himentiza to discuss about the mathematical language, symbols, syntax, and rules. You may start. You may start now.
Yes, ma'am. Hello classmates, I am Jason C. Hementiza, and today I am going to discuss about the mathematical language, symbols, syntax, and rules. So, what is mathematical language? A systematic means communicating by the use of sounds or conventional symbols, and it is a system of words used in a particular discipline, maybe described in terms of vocabulary of symbols or words, grammar consisting of rules of the symbols, community of people who use and understand the symbols, range of meaning which can be communicated through these symbols. Language of mathematics is consists as precise or able to make fine distinction, concise, able to see things briefly, powerful, able to express complex thoughts with relative case. The difficulties of mathematical language. The word "and" means differently in mathematics from English in use. The mathematics "and" is equivalent to plus. Is the different uses of a number to express quantity or cardinal, to indicate the order or ordinal, and as a label, nominal. Mathematical objects may be presented in many ways. Example, sets and functions. Now we're going to the symbols. Instead of writing sentences with words, mathematical sentences are written in terms of numbers and symbols. Mathematics use symbols instead of words. The symbols can designate numbers, variable, operations, functions, brackets, punctuations, and groupings to help determine order of operations. Example, there are the 10 digits, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are symbols for operations like plus, minus, multiple times, and divisions, and symbols that stand in for values such as x, y, and many special symbols. Now in syntax. As a reminder, syntax is a part of mathematics that deals with symbols and rules for manipulating them. So the syntax associated to groups are variables and the symbols 1 and -1. There are also rules for manipulating the syntax. For instance, L times X can always be replaced by X and vice versa. Example, place the arguments of a function in parentheses. So example, enter square root of 3x, not square root 3x. which is interpreted as square root parenthesis 3x then x. Be sure to include parentheses. Example, the expression 1, then x plus 1 is different from 1, x plus 1 which will be interpreted as parentheses. Now we can go to rules. Brackets. Parts of calculation inside brackets always come first. So orders or numbers involving powers or square roots. Division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So that's all for today. I hope you have learned about my lessons. God bless.
Life as a successful engineer can be yet challenging yet fulfilling. As someone who has spent several years in the field of engineering, I have come to understand the importance of technical expertise, problem-solving skills, and effective communication. In my experience, technical proficiency is crucial to success in engineering. Engineers must have a deep understanding of the principles and theories that underpin their field of expertise.
Okay, Hannah Flores will be discussed about the writing mathematical language as an expression or as a sentence. You may start na, Hannah Flores.
Yes, Mom. Good day, everyone. My name is Hannah Gina Flores, and today I will discuss about the writing mathematical language as an expression or a sentence. The writing mathematical language as an expression or a sentence. A mathematical expression, a mathematical analog of an English noun. Correct arrangements of mathematical symbols used to represent a mathematical objects of interest. A math expression is a collection of one or more terms which are separated with the signs addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Is a correct arrangements of mathematical symbols used to represent the object of interest. It does not contain a complete thought, and it cannot be determined if it's true or false. The most common expression types are numbers, sets, and functions. Number have different names. For example, the expression 5, 2 plus 3, 10 divided by 2. Example, the sum of 4 times a number n and 7 plus 4n plus 7. The sum of p and g less the sum of n and m. Like this, p plus q minus n plus m. The square root of a number n. Mathematical sentence makes a statement about two expressions, either using numbers, variables, or combination of both. A mathematical sentence is a correct arrangement of mathematical symbols that states a complete thought and can be determined whether it's true or false. Example, number 1. Sentence have verbs 3 plus 4 equals 7. The verbs is equal. Number 2. A sentence can be always true, always false, or sometimes true, sometimes false. 1 plus 2 equals 3 is true. 1 plus 5 equals 4 is false.
As an elementary math coach, you can transform math teaching through a focus on standards, contents, instructional strategies, and disposition. By supporting and expanding teacher capacity on a daily basis, you can have the potential to transform the classroom into the places in which both student and teacher grow as learners.
And for last, Garcia will discuss about the operations of mathematics expressions.
Yes, ma'am. Good day everyone, my name is Lizel Garcia and today I will discuss to you about the operation of mathematical expression. So the order of operation is a rule that tells the correct sequence of steps for evaluating math expressions. We can remember the order using the PEMDAS word, or it means that the parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So first is we have the parentheses. Parentheses are any part of an equation that are written inside a set of parentheses are done first from inside out. Next is the exponent. The second step in solving an equation is to evaluate the exponent. Third is the multiplication or division. Multiplication and division are done next in order as you read them from left to right. We have the last, the addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction are done last in order as you read them from left to right.
To become a successful engineer, math teacher, or math coach, there are certain skills and attributes that one should develop. First and foremost, a strong foundation in mathematics is critical. Both engineering and mathematics are built on mathematical concepts and principles, and a solid understanding of these concepts is essential to success in these fields. In addition to a strong foundation in mathematics, problem-solving skills are also crucial. Engineers, math teachers, and math coaches are all problem solvers, and they must be able to think creatively and logically to find solutions to complex problems. It is important to practice problem solving regularly to improve these skills and gain confidence in your ability to tackle difficult problems. So, indirectly, high mathematical language skills can improve students' mathematical ideas to be more structured and convincing. Moreover, on material related to many symbols such as algebra, in addition, students can receive and understand the material easily and student interest in learning will increase.